everyone, this is Alex, and I'm here at Your RV Broker. Kevin and Cody are busy working directly with clients right now, and that's the kind of personal, one-on-one service you get from a true family-owned business. We are the DFW's trusted authority for private party RVs, offering personalized broker services whether you're buying or selling. Today, I am incredibly excited to show you this one-owner 2014 Allegro Breeze 32BR from Tiffin. It's been stored indoors and maintained meticulously. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's start at the front. This side window provides extra blind spot visibility. Here is a power entry step as well as the Alcoa aluminum rims which won't rust and smooth riding Michelin tires. The entry door has an assist handle for ease of entry and its own power awning. Check out this oversized power patio awning. Enjoy your patio in shade. Notice how shiny this paint is? The RV's been stored indoors and it shows. Take your entertainment outdoors with this outside TV with remote control. Storage is always a top priority while traveling, and check out these storage bays. Notice that the doors swing sideways for easier access. I bet you didn't expect to find an ice maker. These compartments are clean, carpeted, and heated. Little extras are included for you, making your first trip out easier. Pride of ownership is evident everywhere you look. People are always surprised when they see this much storage in an easy-to-drive 32-foot motorhome that is a diesel pusher, the ultimate ride in motorhomes. As we continue down the side, notice how the water filtration system is conveniently located for easy changes, and these storage compartments are all heated for four-season use. Next is our mechanical bay that has easy access to air ports. You can use these to connect an air hose to and fill your tires or inflatables. No more trying to fill up at the gas station. More storage, batteries, and power disconnects are located here. Now let's work our way around the back. Wow, look at that shine! Notice the windows are tinted and dual pane for privacy and climate control inside the RV. The rear cap is stylish and functional. The removable ladder to the roof controls access when needed. The rear camera assists when towing or backing into your favorite spot at night. A sterling aluminum tow bar is included. That's a great savings. Working our way around to the driver's side of the RV, you can see why this is a motorhome to be proud to own. It's also important to tell you that Tiffin builds this motorhome, and it's hard to find a more respected brand in the RV business. Here is your 50-amp power cord, a transfer switch, and an engine block heater to make cold starts easy. Next, we are on to looking at the wet bay. Here you find all your hookups for water, sewer, and drains, complete with soap dispenser and outside shower. Tank flushes and winterization are quick and easy. Just when you thought we had seen all the storage, surprise, there's even more. Here you see built-in vacuum cleaner and an oversized compartment. Here's the water heater. Now look above the slide-out room and you'll notice the slide topper for an extra buffer against the elements. You won't believe this, but yes, there is actually more storage. You really can't ever have enough, in my opinion. This one passes all the way through for storage of longer items. Here is your onboard LP tank located for easy fill-up with inside and outside tank level gauges. The motorhome rides on airbags and has air brakes, a huge upgrade over a gas motorhome. Your electrical compartment is clean and rust-free. Here are your side cameras providing safety while changing lanes or backing into your space. As we step back, one last look at this beautiful paint job. By the way, your diesel generator is located up front under the hood. It's an 8,000 watt, has less than 200 hours on it, and is super quiet. This produces enough power to run both air conditioners, charge batteries, and run your electrical appliance. Check out the oversized one-piece windshield. Not only does it make your journey more enjoyable, it also provides better visibility for ease of driving enjoyment. Now let's head inside for a look around. This motorhome has an instant wow factory with its warm colors and quality finishes. The living room is spacious and welcoming, and the floor plan has a beautiful and functional flow to it. The bedroom has natural light that many RVs lack. Check out the size of this dinette booth and notice that the front seats swivel, integrating them into the living area. With a flat screen in the front, the living room, the bedroom, and one outside, this motorhome was built to entertain. The front window has power shades. The cockpit is well thought out with stereo and backup monitor as well as cup holders. The motor has less than 65,000 miles and boasts a near 10 miles per gallon. Auto air level is a dream. Drivers and passenger seats are adjustable for that perfect fit on long trips, complete with armrests. Windows have MCD shades with both blackout and solar shades. Notice the beautiful cabinets, slide-out fascia, lighting, and decorating treatments. This RV is truly a home away from home. The refrigerator has wood inserts on the door, and the large pantry allows for ease of access and storage of food. Looking around, you can see how well this motorhome was taken care of. This floor plan offers a sofa, dinette, and 2 captain's chairs, making this coach perfect for entertaining friends or just relaxing by yourself. The kitchen provides plenty of countertop space, drawers, and cabinetry. The countertops are solid surface and are in excellent condition. The 2-burner stovetop gets the job done but leaves extra countertop space for work area. The sinks are stainless steel with a single lever fork and a high-rise sprayer to get pots and pans under the faucet with ease. The sink is complete with built-in covers. This is truly a cook's kitchen. Look at this TV. It provides additional viewing area from all seating areas. Here in the hallway, you will find the command center for climate control. Notice you can access the fridge, shower, bathroom, and bedroom even when the slides are in. The shower has a glass door and a full fiberglass surround with a built-in seat. There is additional headroom from a skylight slell, which lets natural light in. Across from the shower is a private toilet room. Here you will find a foot-blush toilet on a raised pedestal and plenty of legroom. It's a throne fit for a king. A privacy window allows natural light in as well as a roof vent. Heading back to the bedroom, there are additional storage drawers located below the bed. The ceiling contains a drop-down TV perfect for movie night in bed or a coffee and news in the morning. Enjoy the views from windows on both sides of the bed or even extra ventilation with a nice cross breeze. Additional wardrobe storage for hanging garments and drawers below allow for plenty of clothing for those longer trips. This is Alex, and on behalf of the entire family here at Your RV Broker, Kevin, Camilla, Cody, and Cassandra, we want to thank you for touring this RV with us. We're here to help if you have any more questions or if you're ready to set up your personal tour, either in person or virtually. We've made it simple to connect with us. You can reach us directly by call or text at 817-409-8997 for current pricing and financing options. And remember, we make it easy to buy. We can accept most trade-ins to help with your purchase, and we offer financing options on approval of credit for most buyers, even with not-so-perfect credit. Now, we are a by-appointment brokerage. This allows our family to give you our full personal attention when you visit. Please call or text to set up your personal viewing of the 2014 Tiffin Allegro Breeze 32BR or one of our many other RVs in stock. You can check them out online at www.yourrvbroker.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting walkthrough videos.